Hail Biafra! This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
The old Anambra command of the Biafra resistant fighters has today, 5th of December 2023, neutralized and captured some of the terrorists who killed the little child in Ihiala and the Biafra youth in Uli. Those captured are giving vital information. The government takes the security of children and every Biafran seriously. If you kill one Biafra child, we'll kill your battalion. Anambra lockdown continues. Okay. With the video of this, they abandoned their vehicle and took off. And in this very video, you see the blood of these terrorists that killed innocent Biafran child in Ihial and the youth in Uli. It's time for them to face their fellow men. They are running. You will see their bloods in the car. Or just go and watch it at the Biafran Prime Minister's official Twitter handle for you to see. It's time for them to receive their own water promise and they are running. They haven't started running. This is just the beginning. Biafran Prime Minister told them that one Biafran child, any Biafran killed by these terrorists, 10 of 20 of them will go down for one Biafran. They think we are playing. Gone are the days they killed us in our own land and go unchallenged. Not now anymore. So we must continue. Here, Biafran Prime Minister said happening now. We need more videos. The Biafra resistant fighters in old Anambra State, neutralizing the killers of Biafran children and young men in Anambra State. The manhunt continues till tomorrow, 6th of December 2023 by 6 p.m. Biafra time. So Biafrans, what is going on right now is Operation Kill the Python. It's very, very active in our old Anambra State. No peace for the wicked. No. Somebody said, may good God bless you, our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon, about the dragon as you they show. You have opened all our eyes to discover who we are. You are a great research. Biafra have come to stay. Biafra is our identity. Biafra, we have crossed the line of the Rubicon exactly. There is no going back. Gone are the days the enemies, the terrorists, Nigerian army will come to Biafra land, criminal police, Nigerian police will come to Biafra land, kill our people and go unchallenged. Gone are those days. Let me bring you what happened. Let me bring you the day they killed this innocent child in Anambra State with some youth in Ihiala. Biafran Prime Minister posted it, and this was on 19th of November. Sure, 19th of November. Biafran Prime Minister said another evidence of the Nigeria terrorist army atrocities in Biafra land against our innocent children and mothers. The attention of the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile has been drawn to this barbaric act of terrorists by the Nigerian terrorist army. My condolence to the family and the mother of this innocent boy. Our prayers are with the family and entire village and Biafra at large. I have received a full report and adequate security measures is being put in place to make sure these terrorists and their accomplices are hunted down at all costs. My promise to Biafrans is that they can't escape the bullet of the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistant fighters in the coming days. Biafran Prime Minister said it when we told you people that we followed Who No Road. Many of you don't believe it. Many of you keep deceiving yourselves. Keep fooling yourselves around. We told you people that we followed Who No Road. Somebody, a leader or a freedom fighter or anybody, anything in the people that he's fighting for their freedom, he takes action to show the oppressors, the enemies, that we are not out to play. We mean business. You don't kill our people anymore and go scot-free. Biafran Prime Minister told them that what he promised Biafrans is that they will not miss the bullet of Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistant fighters. And it's happening. Have you ever bothered to ask yourself why they call Biafran Prime Minister talk and do? That is why the enemies are scared of him. The oppressors need somebody. Don't joke with his people. Touch his people and he comes after you and comes after your people also. You can't kill us anymore in our land and go scot-free. Biafran Prime Minister told them that adequate security measures have been put in place. They think we are playing. On our bottle this time. Hannah here with telling on them, man. They're even crying out. So right now, it's happening. Tokija and the terrorists are collecting water pro mass. The old Anambra command of Biafra resistant fighters has neutralized and capture some of these terrorists who killed the little child in Ihiala. Can you imagine a little boy was shot? His stomach and his intestines came out. Can you imagine that? And some of you keep deceiving yourselves. Oh, Barima this. Oh, Barima that. Oh, he's this. He's agent of Nigeria government. You people that are not agent of Nigeria government, what have you people done to show that you people are not working for Nigerian government against our people's freedom and against our freedom? What have you people done? Absolutely nothing. Ranting all the time so that you people's Fulani paymasters will think, oh, you people are doing nothing. You people no longer have any place in this struggle. The enemies, the terrorists, Nigerian army can no longer come to Biafra land and kill our people and go unchallenged anymore. Not those Fulani security, not those Fulani vigilante, those flavors that claim to be Southeast leaders. Set up. Not even them, not Ebu Batro. None of them kill our people and go scot-free again in Biafra land. If they don't receive from Biafran Liberation Army, they'll receive from Biafran resistant fighters. If they don't receive from these two, they'll receive from other Biafran resistant fighters. They will. No more space for the enemies to kill our people and go scot-free. Do you know my happiness? The enemies are very ashamed of themselves right now. They are hiding their faces in shame. They never believed that a day like this will come. They believed on the lies the criminals in this struggle told them. Oh, we own the struggle, we can do whatever we please with this struggle. Biafran Prime Minister said no. Just go and take a look at those that claim to be fighting for our freedom right now. You will understand what I'm talking about. Those of them, those criminals that were shouting, all hail Biafra before Amadike was kidnapped. Go and look at them today. The worst part is that they will use Amadike's picture and they use Nigerian flag color, green, white, green. These were the criminals shouting, all hail Biafra before now. Oh, we are hardcore, we are hardcore. Your people will be killed. You people will not say anything. You'll see them crying about Zoom unrepentant Boko Harams coming to Biafra land to kill our people that were neutralized by our gallant men. You see them crying over them. Semonepa is doing this, Semonepa is doing that. They were happy the way these unrepentant Boko Harams were killing our people in Biafra land before now, going unchallenged. You will not hear them say anything. But once we rise up to defend ourselves, to defend our land and protect ourselves, you see them ranting, crying up and down. You'll be asking yourself, what exactly are these people out for? Is it to make sure that the Fulani succeed in wiping Biafrans out, or make sure that the Fulani succeed in taking over Biafra land? You'll be asking yourself, because it's very obvious that they are not out for Biafra freedom. What exactly are they out for? To sabotage what you are doing? How you receive what? So what is going on right now is Operation Flush Out the Terrorists from Biafra land. There will be no more space for them again in Biafra land. The killers are running and abandoning their vehicles, and they haven't seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. They drive joy in coming to Biafra land to kill innocent Biafrans that ask for nothing but freedom. But when it's about time for them to receive their own share of the woto or to be paid back with their own coin, you see them running. So they are scared of dying. And they drive joy in killing innocent children and youth in our land. They are scared of dying. Well, Biafran Prime Minister have already said it. If they don't receive from Biafran Liberation Army, they will receive from Biafra resistant fighters. So there is no escape for them this time around. The woto promise is already prepared, waiting for them. Because they are there already. Operation Kill the Python is very, very active in Anambra right now, and there is no peace for the wicked. Biafrans, let me read some comments from Biafrans also. Happily they call also something. So here, first comment said, this government and our government, exactly from where they. Another person said, remember what has gone out of his mouth, and it will not return back to him void. Did you hear that? Remember the words has gone out of his mouth. Biafran Prime Minister told them that if they don't receive from Biafra Liberation Army, they will receive from Biafra resistant fighters, and it's happening. Today, Biafra resistant fighters in old Anambra State to neutralize the killers of Biafra children and the young men in Anambra State. We are hunting down these killers of our people because Biafra land is our land, and invaders, foreigners, and land grabbers cannot make our land uncomfortable for our people. We have volunteers, we have brave men, gallant men that volunteer to make sure all these crimes, all these atrocities, all these unnecessary unprovoked killings of our people, all this humiliation, intimidation stops. And if you are sympathizing with these killers that have been killing our people right now, you are an enemy of Biafra, especially those of you criminals hiding under this very struggle. So we must continue. Another comment said, "Woto woto, to pythons can no longer swallow your people." Okay. Taking my PM order for granted is at your own peril. Okay. Another person said, "Who are these onlookers? Thought they were told to stay away. Our people should be careful. God bless our angels." Okay. Another person said, "Woto woto promise is the code." Another person said, "Good luck, guys. Chukwokike be with you all." You say, "Men at work, power to our people. We move. God protect and strengthen our men on ground 247. Name of Chukwokika Bioma." He said. Another person said, "Them that make peaceful change impossible makes violent change inevitable." The parable. Okay, the parable. Okay. Another person said, "Woto. Yes, this is what I am talking about. This is happening in Ihiala, LGA now." Okay. So, dear friends, I will stop here. There are a lot of comments and there are a lot of updates I'm going to bring for you. May Elohim continue to guide and protect our gallant men, strengthen them more and more, give them more courage, more victory against the enemies. He said, "May Elohim bless our Prime Minister, Master Simon Ekpa, give him more strength and courage." He said, "Genuine Biafrans all over the world doing everything they can to make sure Biafra is restored. May Elohim guide and protect them for us and give them more strength, more courage." Thank you all. Don't forget to share, like, leave your comments at the comment section. Biafra is here to stay, and there is nothing the enemies can do about it.